We're told that the members of a book club select novels and non-fiction books to read. So novels and non-fiction books to read. The club meets 3 times to discuss each novel. So 3 times for the novel and 5 times non-fiction book. And last year the club met 52 times and discussed 12 books. How many novels did the club discuss last year? So I'm going to call number of novels N, number of nonfiction F, just to kind of keep away the letter N. The 12 books were discussed, which means the number of novels plus nonfiction books is 12. So that's one relationship. And if there were N novels that were discussed, so then 3 times that would be the number of times they would meet. Same thing for the nonfiction would be 5F, and that has to total 52. So those are the 2 equations, and we need to solve for N. I'm going to multiply this one by 5 because I want to eliminate the F term. So this would become 5N plus 5F is 60, multiplying each term. And then I'm going to subtract this top equation from the bottom one. And this term would disappear. That would become 12. And I would have 2N, which means N is 6, which is not in the answer choice, which means I've made a mistake. So this is a good thing. A good thing to always recognize that on the GRE, if you make some ridiculous mistake, which I did here, which this difference is 8, not 6. Sorry, not 12. And I would get 4 here. So what happens is if you make a ridiculous mistake, when I find that my answer is never there in the answer choices, and it has happened in the exam, and that's a clue that I need to recheck my work as it happened here. And I think another reason I made this mistake is because I kind of wrote them in a format that, I don't know, it just compelled me to do 12 because it's almost like thinking 72 and 60. So perhaps writing it in the other form, meaning 5N plus 5F is 60, 3N plus 5F is 52. So, if I did it this way, I don't think I would have made the mistake that I did here. So of course, there's a cost of doing it this way as far as time is concerned, but certainly you won't make mistakes like this. So there's always this balance between speed and accuracy, and you have to kind of find that line that works for you. But to recap, the answer is N is 4, which is choice B.